Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Jaya Radha, Govinda Radha, Govinda Radhe, Jai Gauranitai, Jai Gauranitai, Gauranitai, Jai Gauranitai, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. We'll continue, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So we have Anand Gaurav. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Shiva Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
All you Kerala people here. Rangini Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Is it going to be like, is it?
No people I know here today.
So do I have to program
Manish?
or do I have to program?
Hare Krishna Prabhu from Bilaspur Prabhu is my old friend.
It's class overlap.
Okay.
And even in case of 4x1, it's the same formula.
Pawan he
It's
joined
okay.
Kala. Pawan also from Salala.
Okay.
And Kulkarni Mataji is from Salala. Can you please explain in Hindi also, Prabhuji, because that Mataji, she doesn't know English.
Oh, who are the Kulkarni Mataji? Okay.
Yes.
Today many devotees want in Hindi, Prabhuji. Srimad Bhagavatam.
Okay, chalo. So we start. Which is the shloka today?
Canto 4,
30.
chapter 4, 30.
30 members, 20.
This is the one. You can read or you want me to make a little bigger? No better?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, sir.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om
Om
Namo
Namo
Bhagavate
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani
Shri Krishna.
Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
Sadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So I'll chant the shloka. Who will read the purport? Chalo, somebody who's not from Salala.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, Prabhu.
We have Dharmesh, he can read the purport. Okay.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, thank you. Purport.
No, very good. Shloka bhi nahi hua.
I can read the shloka?
Yeah. You want to chant? Chant a shloka. Shloka chanting is Rangini Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, you recite shloka, Prabhu.
I cannot. I will recite the translation, Mataji. I cannot stand like Nanthoor. Amazing. It's like
Okay, Prabhu. I will.
something from heaven.
Yes, Prabhu. He is there, Prabhu. And today, mostly in Hindi, Prabhu.
No problem. No, that is not a problem. I'm from.
सोऽयं दुर्मर्ष हृदयो ब्रह्मदृक्चा लोके अपकीर्तिं महतीमवाप्स्यति यदङ्गजां स्वां पुरुषद्भिर्युध्यतां न प्रत्यशेधनुहृतये अपराधतः.
So nice. Yoyam durmasha hridayo brahmadukcha loke aprakriti mahatim avapsyati yat angajam swam purushad vid udyatam na pratyashedam pritiye aparadatam. Saha, he, I am. You all can repeat something. That.
That.
Durmasha hridayam.
Durmarsha Hridayam.
Hridaya, hard-hearted.
Hard-hearted.
Brahmadruk.
Brahmadruk.
Unworthy to be a Brahmana.
Unworthy to be a Brahmana.
Cha.
And
And
Loke.
Loke.
In the world.
Aprakriti.
Aprakriti.
In fame.
Ill fame.
Mahatim.
Mahatim.
Extensive.
Extensive.
Avapsati.
Avapshati. Will gain.
Yat angajam.
Yat angajam.
Daughter of whom?
The daughter
of whom?
Swam. Own.
Purushadvit.
Enemy of Lord Shiva.
The
enemy of Lord Shiva.
Yatam.
Udyatam.
Preparing.
Who was preparing?
Na pratyashedat.
Ma pratyashedat.
Not prevent.
Did not prevent. For death.
Aparada.
Because of his offenses. Daksha was so hard-hearted.
Daksha, who is so hard-hearted.
Background. Daksha was so hard-hearted that he was unworthy to be a Brahmana. He will gain extensive ill fame because of his offenses to his daughter, because of not having prevented her death, and because of his great envy of the Supreme Personality of God. Yes, Dharmesh Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. Daksha is described here as most hard-hearted and therefore unqualified to be a Brahmana. Brahmadruk is described by some commentators to mean Brahmabandhu or friend of the Brahmanas. A person who is born in a Brahmana family but has no Brahminical qualifications is called a Brahmabandhu. Brahmanas are generally very soft-hearted and forbearing because they have the power to control the senses and the mind. Daksha, however, was not forbearing for the simple reason that his son-in-law, Lord Shiva, did not stand up to show him the formality of respect. He became so angry and hard-hearted that he tolerated even the death of his dearest daughter. Sati tried her best to mitigate the misunderstanding between the son-in-law and the father-in-law by coming to her father's house, even without an invitation, and at that time Daksha should have received her, forgetting all past misunderstandings. But he was so hard-hearted that he was unworthy to be called an Aryan or Brahmana. Thus, his ill fame still continues. Daksha means expert, and he was given this name because of his ability to beget many hundreds and thousands of children. Persons who are too sexually inclined and materialistic become so hard-hearted because of a slight loss of prestige that they can tolerate even the death of their children.
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। कृष्ण पृष्ठाय श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने।
स्वामिनिति
नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि। हरे कृष्णा
हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Hare Hare.
So welcome everybody. This is short discussion of Bhagavatam. So this is Daksha. We have been discussing soft-hearted till now. The now reverse words come. Daksha behaved in a very strange way. In fact, this is sometimes it does happen or honor killing. Even in the family, some girl wants to marry somebody of the lower caste, and it does. If she runs away and marries, the family goes and kills her. Correct? You heard about that? They call it.
जी हिंदी प्रभु जी.
And loudly, Prabhu, not able to hear very well.
Today is very low.
My voice is low. Let me just check.
And हिंदी प्रभु जी.
Okay, ठीक है.
Hindi and English together.
हाँ.
Hindi and English together.
ठीक है, no problem. He or she knows Hindi. Doctors know the languages. Now, ये यहाँ मेन चीज डिस्कस हो रहा है कि दक्ष जी ने कुछ किया क्यों नहीं. Voice is loud enough now?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhu.
The main issue is that उसने कुछ किया क्यों नहीं. उसके सामने ही उसका बेटी ने आत्महत्या कर दी और ये आदमी चुप रहा. सब लोग इससे शॉक हो गए. ये क्या मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना. बेटी का दिल तो कितना सॉफ्ट था. चलो उसने देखा मेरा हस्बैंड और फादर इन लॉ के बीच में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया. उसमें भी हस्बैंड का कोई गलती नहीं. हस्बैंड शिव जी कृष्ण के स्मरण में थे. उसकी वजह से उन्होंने एक्चुअली जो वैष्णव होता है उसके एटिकेट हमेशा परफेक्ट होते हैं. एक्चुअली शिव जी को उठने की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी दक्षा के लिए. शिव जी महादेव है. तब भी अपने उनके फादर इन लॉ है उठ जाते, लेकिन वो कृष्ण के स्मरण में थे तो थोड़ा एक छोटा सा छूट हुआ. उसका इतना गुस्सा कि मतलब बेटी भी मर जाए तब भी मेरे को वो गुस्सा ठंडा नहीं होगा. एक्चुअली वैष्णव का दिल तो बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है. एक बार आप नमस्कार कर दो सब माफ कर देता है ना. ऐसे वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिंधु पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो. बड़ा अपराध हो जाए नमस्कार प्रभु जी हमसे गलती हुआ छुट्टी.
सर आपका आवाज बहुत कम आ रहा है सर. बीच बीच में कट जा रहा है.
क्लियर आ रहा है प्रभु जी.
ठीक है, वो बैंगलोर तक नहीं पहुंचा. ठीक है. सो एनीवे, सो ये बहुत सरप्राइज का चीज है कि दक्ष को इतना कठोर दिल कैसे हो गया. हाँ, दिस इज वेरी बिग सरप्राइज. एंड नाउ साउंड इज ओके.
यस सर.
यस सर मच बेटर सर.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऐसा करना, अगर आवाज कम हो हाथ खड़ा कर देना. ठीक है, बोलना नहीं, वो इंटरप्ट हो जाता है.
सॉरी सर रियली सॉरी.
सो नाउ ये दैट इज वेरी सरप्राइज कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया. लोग इतना भी अपना मान से इतना कभी कभी जुड़ जाते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों होता है. तो इसका एनालिसिस किया जा रहा है प्रभुपाद जी ने पर्पट में. जो इंद्रिय भोग में आदमी लालच हो जाता है उसका सीधी पागलपन हो जाता है. हमको एक एग्जाम्पल आपका भागवत से बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. प्रिंसिपल समझिए. जैसे कोई आदमी दारू पीने लगता है या नशा करने लगता है, वो अपने पिताजी के पॉकेट से भी चोरी करके नशा करता है. करेक्ट. पर्टिकुलरली ड्रग एडिक्ट जो ड्रग्स लेने लगता है वो आदमी, वो करीब करीब पागल हो जाता है. करेक्ट. यू ऑल आर अवेयर ऑफ दिस. ही लूजेस टोटल कंट्रोल एंड ही गोज टू द एक्सटेंट कि अपना पिताजी के भी घर से चोरी करके सामान ले जाता है. घर में से कुछ गहने भी बेच डालता है, ड्रग्स खा लेता है. सो मोर जितना आदमी इंद्रिय भोग की तरफ भागने लगता है उतना वो हार्ड हार्टेड हो जाता है। और जितना आदमी कृष्ण भक्ति में आगे चलने लगता है उतना सॉफ्ट होता चला जाता है। दिस इज वेरी, बिकॉज जो भक्त है वो प्रचार करता है, उसको अपना कोई फायदा नहीं है, वो कृपा के अनुसार प्रचार करता है। संसार दावनल लिदलोका, ठीक है, वो दुनिया में प्रचार कर रहा है टू सेव द ह्यूमैनिटी, उसको पर्सनल प्रॉफिट नहीं है। पर्टिकुलरली जो महान आचार्य लोग हैं वो कृपा से, हम तो उनके आदेश में प्रचार कर रहे हैं, हमारे दिल में कृपा उत्पन्न नहीं हुआ। नामे रुचि जीवे दया, जब भगवान के नाम में रुचि आएगी तब हम हमारे दिल में दूसरे जीव की तरफ दया आएगी, ठीक है। अभी नहीं, अभी हम लोग आचार्य प्रभुपाद जी के आदेश के अनुसार प्रचार कर रहे हैं, अपने गुरु के आदेश के अनुसार, ठीक है। सो जितना आदमी इंद्रिय भोग की तरफ भागने लगता है उतना आदमी का दिल कठोर होता चला जाता है ना। भाव में तयो मृतो हृदय ग्रंथि आहु अतः गृह क्षेत्र सुतावत वित्ते जन से मोहम अहम ममेति। तो आदमी को अहम ममेति, मैं और मेरा, ये सबका अटैचमेंट बढ़ता रहता है, जैसे आदमी ये संसार में फंसता रहता है और पूरा जिंदगी उसमें फंसा रहता है। एंड जो सो कॉल्ड जो उसका अभिमान है, that becomes everything for him. तो slightest किसी का एक कमेंट आ जाए या कुछ आ जाए which is not to his liking, वो पागल हो जाता है गुस्से से। इसलिए भक्त के लिए क्या लिखा है, त्रिणादपि सुनिचयना तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानेन मानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा। कि अगर हमारा मन इस तरह विचलित होगा, हम नाम का जप कैसे करें? अरे सबसे ज्यादा मन किससे विचलित होता है? हिम्मत कैसे हुई? उस आदमी की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? उसने ये कमेंट डाल दिया मेरे पे, एंड कैसे आप जप करोगे हरे कृष्ण? आप नहीं कर सकते जप, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। सो मोर एंड मोर हमारा दिल इंद्रिय भोग की तरफ आकर्षित होता है, उतना ही उतना हम लोग कठोर दिल के हो जाते हैं। और कठोर दिल में होने की वजह से हम लोग किसी को कितना भी दर्द दे सकते हैं। जब इंडिया में टेररिस्ट लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे तो उस समय एक आदमी ने पूछा बॉम्बे में कि तुम हमको क्यों मार रहे हो? क्योंकि 175 लोग उन्होंने कुछ कैप्टिव किए थे आई थिंक होटल में, और सबको मारा उन्होंने, एक को छोड़ा नहीं। एंड तो उनको किसी ने उसको पूछा टेररिस्ट को, भाई तुम क्यों हमको इतना दर्द दे रहे हो? उसने क्या आंसर किया? उसका आंसर था क्योंकि मेरे दिल में बहुत दर्द है। तुम जितना हमारा दिल, क्योंकि जितना हम इंद्रिय भोग करते हैं खुशी होने की जगह दर्द होता है, ये एक ट्रुथ है। और क्योंकि इसमें खुशी नहीं है, इंद्रिय भोग में दर्द ही दर्द है। ये ही संस्पर्श जया भोगा दुख योनव एवते, कृष्ण जी बोल रहे हैं इंद्रिय भोग से खाली दुख आता है। तो दुख दुख दुख, तो हमारा दिल दर्द से भरा हुआ है तो हमको बाहर दर्द देने में, इनसाइड आउट। जिसका दिल खुशी से भरा रहता है वो दूसरे को खुशी देता है, जिसका दिल दर्द से भरा रहता है दूसरे को दर्द देता है। आप सोचो दक्ष को कितना दर्द होगा कि वो अपनी बेटी का आत्महत्या देख के भी उसको नहीं रोका, कितना दर्द उसके दिल में होगा। यही होता है आपका इंद्रिय भोग का रिजल्ट। आदमी का दिल दर्द से भर जाता है, इतना उसको मान है कि थोड़ा सा एक शब्द, थोड़ा सा शब्द भी नहीं, एक जेस्चर वो उठा नहीं, बस उसको उसका पूरा इतना दर्द उसके दिल में उसकी वजह से। वेरी स्ट्रेंज। नाउ वी कैन टेक सम, दिस प्रिंसिपल इज अंडरस्टूड, ठीक है। दर्द के दिल में जितना आपके इंद्रिय भोग करने से दर्द होता है, जितना उसकी वजह से आदमी बिकम्स बहुत ही कठोर दिल का हो जाता है, और उसका जो आचरण होता है बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट। कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा, आप डील करते हैं पुलिसमैन, इंडिया में ड्रंक पुलिसमैन इतना बदतमीजी करता है, आपको समझ नहीं आता है इसको सभ्यता नहीं है क्या, है ना। आप न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ते हैं किसी को बेरहम सबके पब्लिक में किसी को मार देते हैं, उसका फैमिली उसको प्रार्थना कर रहा है, भाई मेरे हस्बैंड को नहीं मारो, मेरे बच्चे को नहीं मारो, सबके सामने मार देते हैं। होता है ना, वी हियर दिस केसेस, फैमिली के सामने किसी से गुस्सा आया तो उसको जाके, दिल इतना कठोर हो जाता है इंद्रिय भोग से, नशा से, इन चीजों से आदमी करीब करीब पागल हो जाता है। Now taking example from the शास्त्र of this principle, the अजामिल का एग्जाम्पल आप देखिए। अजामिल बहुत अच्छा ब्राह्मण होता है, उसके सारे सत्वगुण के लक्षण थे उसमें, और उसके बहुत यंग लड़का था अपना, बहुत सब भागवत में उसके बहुत गुण का उल्लेख है, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है सुन के। And then what happens? After that what happens that he goes one day, where he goes, to the forest. And वहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट में जंगल में जाता है तो उधर देखता है कि कुछ आवाज आ रही है। वो तो फूल लाने जाता है पूजा के लिए। उसके पिताजी बोलते हैं बेटे जरा फूल ले आ, घर में पूजा है आज। ठीक है पिताजी जाता हूँ। जैसे आजकल भी यही है, फूल वूल मिलते नहीं है, सब लॉकडाउन है, हम भी तो एनीवे तो फूल इकट्ठे करके लाता जंगल से। एंड देन जो रास्ते में when he is about collected some flower इकट्ठे हो गए and he was thinking अभी घर जाना है, उसको आवाज सुनाई देती है लड़का लड़की के हंसने की। तो सोचता है कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं हैंडल कर लूंगा, इधर से ही हम फंसते हैं, कुछ एक सेकंड जस्ट देखना चाहता हूँ क्या कौन ये लोग। लड़का लड़की के हंसने की आवाज, मतलब जंगल में, मतलब समझ सकते हैं क्या हो रहा है। लेकिन उसको कुछ, मेरे को कुछ होगा नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं एक सेकंड पर देख रहा हूँ वो हाक है क्यों है, कौन है वो लोग, तेरा एक बार देख लो। क्या देखना है तेरे को, क्या इंटरेस्ट है इन चीजों से, क्यों खेलना चाहता है। आग से कभी भी नहीं खेलना चाहिए, लेकिन वो खेला और वो गया देख। हाँ वो तो आदमी को जानता हूँ, वो घटिया किस्म का आदमी यही करता है हमेशा। और वो प्रोस्टिट्यूट, ठीक है, क्योंकि वैदिक काल में ऐसे काम खाली जो स्त्री करती थी उसको कोई इज्जत नहीं मिलती थी। इज ए प्रोस्टिट्यूट एंड इज अ लोग थर्ड क्लास मैन। बट देन एक सेकंड और कुछ नहीं होगा, मेरे कुछ नहीं होगा। एंड देन ही लुक्स, संगा संजायते कामा, देन हिज हार्ट ध्यायते विषया पुंसा, संगस्तेषु विजायते संगा संजायते कामा। उसके दिल में इंद्रिय भोग की इच्छा उत्पन्न हो जाती है ना। क्रोध ध्यायते विषया पुंसा, संगस्तेषु विजायते संगा संजायते कामा, कामा क्रोध विजायते। क्यों वो, क्यों मैं एंजॉय करूंगा। वो बहुत सुंदर है प्रोस्टिट्यूट। कामा क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः। Okay, no? I can explain this, no? ठीक है ना, छोटे बच्चे तो नहीं है ना। हाँ, कामा क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः, उसकी बुद्धि नष्ट हो जाती है। सम्मोह means kind of a delusion. करूं या ना करूं, he becomes totally in delusion, and then उसकी मन विचलित होता है, फिर बुद्धि नष्ट हो जाती है और वो पागल हो जाता है। and then घर आता है, अपने फूल पिताजी को देता है, लेकिन उसका कुछ मन नहीं होता है पूजा में, पूरा मन डिस्टर्ब है। उसकी बीवी को देखता है, क्या हुआ, नहीं बात नहीं करो मेरे से, और डिस्टर्ब है, क्या हुआ, क्यों नहीं बात नहीं। एंड ही वो चलता रहता है उसके मन में, द सेम व्हाट ही हैज सीन फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स, द सेम चीज उसका दिमाग में चलती रहती। नहीं, अब मैं उस वैश्या के बिना नहीं रह सकता। ही कंक्लूड्स, अरे 5 मिनट पहले तो उसको जानता भी नहीं था, क्या हो गया तेरे को। दैट्स सी हाउ हार्ड हार्टेड ही बिकम्स। एंड ही गोज एंड ब्रिंग्स अ प्रोस्टिट्यूट होम। और उसके माँ बाप घर को छोड़ के निकल जाते हैं। सो पत्थर का दिल, उसको दिख नहीं रहा है कि उसके कुकर्म से क्या हो रहा है, कितना दर्द उसके पिताजी। माँ बाप बहुत ही सात्विक लोग, बहुत ही संत लोग होते हैं ब्राह्मण, वो ये सब नहीं देख सकते। वो घर छोड़ के निकल जाते हैं और उनका अपना घर छोड़ देते, बेटा तो तेरे को संपत्ति घर तेरे ले, और उनको कोई देखने के लिए नहीं। बुढ़ापे में वैसे ही मर जाते हैं कहीं, कोई मतलब बेटे का ध्यान नहीं। और उसके बाद बीवी 1 दिन 2 दिन वो भी कैसे बर्दाश्त करती है, रोते 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 बीवी भी घर छोड़ के चले जाती है। अब सोचिए, इसका स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखिए। बहुत ही सॉफ्ट हार्टेड ब्राह्मणा एंड हार्ड हार्टेड, करेक्ट। सॉफ्ट हार्टेड मतलब यानी जो अच्छा आदमी होता है उसको सॉफ्ट हार्टेड बोलते हैं। हार्ड हार्टेड मतलब क्रूर, जैसे मूवी में दिखाते हैं ना, विलियन किसी का हाथ कट रहा है, पैर कट रहा है, हंस रहा है, सैडिस्टिक प्लेजर। The same way this person is also दक्षा अभी पागल हो गया है। प्रॉपर जी मेंशन कर रहे हैं भागवत के इसके परपट में, क्या मेंशन कर रहे हैं, इसका ऐसा हाल क्यों हुआ। Persons who are too sexually inclined and materialistic become so hard-hearted. देखो, तो कोई भी आदमी कभी कभी आपके भी व्यवहार में होता है ना, बहुत गुस्सा करता है, जरूर कुछ गड़बड़ है, अंदर ज्वालामुखी। आप समझ रहे हैं, ज्वाला, जैसे आप बहुत किसी को गुस्सा करते हैं और आपका उससे रिश्ता कोई नहीं है और आप गुस्सा करते हैं, तो कुछ गड़बड़ है। आप समझ रहे हैं, बिकॉज जैसे भक्त भक्ति में प्रगति करता है, 3 चीज उसको मिल जाती है। क्या? वीत राग भया, वो अटैचमेंट से मुक्त हो जाता है। वो वीत राग भया उसको कोई डर नहीं लगता। एंड क्रोध, उसको गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, करेक्ट। रिश्ते में कभी कभी आप गुस्सा करते हैं, दैट इज टू एक्सप्लेन, बट एट हार्ट टोटल कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, नहीं कि पूरा बॉडी गुस्से से कांप रहा है। दैट इज फ्रॉम अहंकारा। ऐसा गुस्सा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए। सो देन जब आदमी इज फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल दिस थिंग, बिकॉज स्पिरिचुअली वो प्रगति कर रहा है, जो आध्यात्मिक प्रगति करता है उसके लक्षण होते हैं। उसको अटैचमेंट नहीं होता, उसको डर भी नहीं होता और उसको क्रोध भी नहीं आता। गीत राग भया क्रोध मनमया कहा
भावो ज्ञान
सो नाइस श्लोक। वीत राग भया क्रोधा मनमया माम उपासिता बहवो ज्ञान तपसा पूतम। many people जो भक्ति के मार्ग में आगे चलते हैं, they become purified, उनका दिल शुद्ध हो जाता है, and they become free from all this. लेकिन दक्षा is a example, ऐसा नहीं है, दक्षा is not a, he's a very great personality, but at this time this part is highlighted so that we can all take a lesson. हम लोग इससे we can take a lesson from this to be careful. करेक्ट। अगर हम इंद्रिय भोग की तरफ चलेंगे, एक्चुअली सब लोग हम सोचते हैं हम लोग अच्छे हैं, करेक्ट, सब लोग सोचते हैं ना मैं बहुत अच्छा आदमी हूँ। एक्चुअली कोई अच्छा आदमी नहीं है। अच्छा आदमी मतलब सात्विक। सात्विक आदमी खुश रहता है, दूसरे को भी खुश रहता है। रासिक आदमी दूसरे आदमी को डिस्टर्ब करता है, और तामसिक आदमी दूसरे को दर्द देता है, बहुत गुस्सा करता है, चिल्लाता है, मारपीट भी कर देता है तामसिक आदमी। रासिक आदमी थोड़ा ईर्ष्या करता है, ठीक है, मारपीट तो शायद कम करे, ईर्ष्या बहुत करता है। उसको प्रेस्टीज, उसको मान बहुत अटैचमेंट होता है। तामसिक आदमी को इतना पागलपन हो जाता है कि वो मारपीट कर सकता है, चिल्ला सकता है। गुस्सा तो कर ठीक है, लेकिन चिल्लाना का मतलब नहीं समझ आता है ना। इट बिकम रैथ समझ, मार देगा, दैट काइंड ऑफ रैथ, सो तमोगुण। सो द दक्ष का सो मच एंगर, तो दक्ष को जो चल रहा था इतना दिन, उसका गुस्से से शरीर कांप रहा था इतना दिन। शिव जी का तो अपराध में बहुत टाइम हो गया, वो भी कोई अपराध नहीं था, बहुत छोटा चीज था, ठीक है, वो जाके बात कर सकता था, शिव जी क्या हुआ, हम तो आपके फादर इन लॉ हैं, ऐसा क्या है, वी कुड ऑलवेज सॉर्टेड आउट। पर इतना गुस्सा कि अब उसका चेहरा नहीं देखेंगे, उसके मतलब उसको कभी अब अपने न्योता भी नहीं दिया, इतना बड़ा फंक्शन किया और वहां उनको प्रसाद भी नहीं दिया, और उस बेटी खुद आया ये सब सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए, उसकी तरफ रिसीव तक नहीं किया बेटी को। और बेटी गुस्से से आके पिताजी को बोला, पिताजी क्या है ये आचरण आपका, मेरे से नहीं बर्दाश्त होता, मैं ये शरीर त्यागना चाहती हूँ, चिल्ला रही है। अरे बेटी रोको, नहीं, मतलब कितना आदमी पागल हो सकता है, ठीक है। So that is one example I took of Ajamila. That example we can understand. Other example Bhagavad में आता है, there is Dhruva Maharaj. You know, Dhruva Maharaj wanted to sit in the lap of his father. Correct? You all know the example. Dhruva Maharaj wanted to sit in the lap, and then what has happened? The father neglects, because there is two wives, Suniti, Surichi. So the wife says, no, तुम मेरे पेट से गर्भ से नहीं, तो in the lap of the father. Correct? That wife was Surichi, है ना? Who spoke like that?
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
wife is Suniti. So the Surichi was said, तुम उनके गोदी में, क्योंकि उत्तमा उनका उसका भाई ऑलरेडी गोदी में बैठा था, तो नेचुरल है, दूसरे बेटे को भी मनता मैं भी गोदी में बैठेगा, ठीक है। एक बार what happened in my house, my brother climbed the back of my father, so I also want to climb. I remember I also climbed, and दोनों 10th class में और 6th class में climb किए, father got a spinal, कहते ना disc, slip disc. So anyway, but this is natural. I still remember the natural thing. So बच्चों को तो क्या है, that's natural. He also wants to sit. He's not doing, वो नहीं कोई political game calculate कर रहा है. He wants to sit on the lap of father. Natural. But वो palace politics, नहीं तुम गोदी में सिंहासन में बैठे हैं, तुम नहीं बैठ सकते सिंहासन में, क्योंकि तुम मेरे घर से पैदा नहीं। And the later जब ध्रुव महाराज इस चीज के ऊपर चक्कर में घर को छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, ठीक है। At that time, Narada comes to meet. Narada ध्रुव महाराज को शिक्षा देते हैं, ठीक है ना, आप सबको मालूम है। And Narada then goes to meet the father of Dhruva, Uttanapada. And जब ध्रुव के पिताजी से बात कर रहे होते हैं, at that time, Uttanapada says, कितना कठोर दिल है मेरा, कितना कठोर है। छोटा बच्चा मेरे गोदी में बैठना चाहता था, उसका कितना आंखों से देख रहा था मेरी तरह। जब मेरी मतलब जो दूसरी बीवी है जो सुरुचि, उसको ऐसे इतने मतलब दर्दनाक शब्द उसने बोले, तो मैंने तो उसको गोदी में बैठाना था ना, लेकिन मैं अपना बीवी से इतना अटैच हो गया कि, और बेटा मेरी तरफ देख रहा है आंखों से रोते हुए, पिताजी मैं चढ़ना चाहता हूँ, और मैं बीवी से इतना आकर्षित था कि मैं उसको दुख मैंने उसके आंसू को ध्यान नहीं दिया. Correct? That is another example. अगर आप भागवत में देखें, this hard-hearted, it became very, very hard-hearted. So this is actually the truth in nature. If we do not control ourselves, we slowly glide down, and then हमारा दिल खुशी की जगह it is full of pain, because this is the nature of sense gratification. Heart becomes full of pain, and because of pain, then we don't mind giving pain to anybody. That's the example of this is the standard example we have of Dhruva. Oh, sorry, this example we got here. Another example is Saurabh Bhattacharya. You know, heard about Saurabh Bhattacharya? Saurabh Bhattacharya was a great logician, and he always offered this respect. कौन सब्जी काट रहा है? So he always offered this respect to Lord Chaitanya कि मेरा दिल तो पत्थर का था, but because logician क्या होता है, argument कर करके they lose any taste for devotion. Then everything is they want to put on the yardstick of the mind. हर चीज को अपने logic से ही ढूंढते हैं. तो बोलता है मेरा तो दिल was so hard, but it is आपका जो the mercy that I got bhakti. This word is also used by Saurabh Bhattacharya. Okay, I was just seeing where all I saw this word. That is another place it is said in the Bhagavatam कि person who does not, जब भगवान का नाम लेके जिसके आंख में आंसू नहीं आते, उसका दिल भी पत्थर का है. There is a particular shloka is steel-hearted or stone-hearted. In fact, in the same Leela, we are reading the Daksha Leela, Prabhupada says some very nice thing. He says that Sati ke Pitaji though he acted hard-hearted, but not the mother, sister, they all received her. The Prabhupada says that actually women are soft-hearted, so they get the credit here. Men are sometimes very hard-hearted, but women are soft-hearted. So we have this example and some credit for them.
Prabhu, here one more thing is there.
Yes, yes, Pallavi.
There he also says that because his wife was so very soft-hearted.
Whose wife?
Aksha's.
Because
she was very hard-hearted, soft-hearted, that's why she could understand that now something very bad is going to happen.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. Correct. Thank you, Pallavi. So that is this the comparison. Sometimes Queen Kunti also says, "Katham pashem hi striyaha tatha paramahamsanam." Yes, Pallavi. What is the shloka?
Muni tatha paramahamsanam muni nam amalatma nam bhakti yoga vidhanartham katham pashem hi striyaha.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Katham pashem hi striya. So tata paramahamsa naam, भगवान जी आप तो परमहंस को समझ आते हैं, आप तो बड़े बड़े मुनि को समझ आते हैं. अमल आत्मा जिनका दिल पूर्ण रूप से शुद्ध है उनको समझ आते हैं, हमको क्या समझ आएंगे, हम तो ऑर्डिनरी स्त्री है. So Prabhupada ji तात्पर्य में समझाते हैं, actually woman is very soft-hearted. She has a great quality, and because of that वो कृष्ण को बहुत जल्दी दिल से पकड़ सकते हैं. There are disadvantages. There is great advantage because they can easily get attached to Krishna. So this is very nice. Okay, and then Prabhupada says something very nice. He says that the devotees, they make so much effort to preach Krishna consciousness. Okay? Prabhupada made so much effort actually to give Krishna consciousness to us. But still we don't take Prabhupada ji के जो instructions हैं, हम उसको seriously नहीं लेते. क्यों? हमारा दिल पत्थर का है. In fact, Prabhupada ke time when devotees are watching the kind of hard work Prabhupada was putting, they were totally touched. I heard from Guru Maharaj, he told that Prabhupada told us, I will not live तुम फटाफट किताबें पढ़ो, you have to all run the movement. And actually he said we read Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita so carefully. I was reading one place, Chaitanya Charitamrita, the Prabhupada says, बोलते हैं कि हम हर मंदिर में 3 घंटा हरि नाम होना चाहिए. जब अद्वैत आचार्य का घर में चैतन्य महाप्रभु डांस करते ना हर दिन after taking sannyas, and the devotee read that, एक एक शब्द पढ़ते थे, and they went to Prabhupada जी, आप बोल रहे 3 घंटा करना है, प्रभु जी मुश्किल होता है 3 घंटा. Prabhupada ओके 1 घंटा करो, आपको टेस्ट नहीं है. But they know what Prabhupada ने कहाँ क्या लिखा है, so carefully they were reading. And you were reading that within 1 or 2 years, devotees, this is true. We see that devotee within 1 or 2 years, they spread the movement all around the world. इतना बड़ा risk ले रहे थे, उनके सामने there was Prabhupada. It's not that Prabhupada ने लोगों को भेजा था, भाई तुम मायापुर जाओ, तुम ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाओ, तुम अफ्रीका जाओ, ले जाओ 10-10 करोड़. नहीं, कुछ पैसा नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, no support, no manpower, nothing. They were going. They were taking risk like Prabhupada. Prabhupada ji ke jaise they were taking risk because they saw Prabhupada was working so hard. But the thing, they were not VO2 so. That's why we say that they did such wonderful preaching actually, because they were working where they were touching Srila Prabhupada, and they were not hard-hearted. We are hard-hearted. They were so soft-hearted. Prabhupada could touch their heart so easily. And they just gave their life. Jindagi dena aasan nahi hota. They just gave their life. And anything Prabhupada said, they were so. जब Prabhupada जी किसी मंदिर में आते थे, पूरा मंदिर भरा रहता था to just get one word. They will send कि this much book distribution happened, this happened, and the back of the same cheety, Prabhupada write 2 words, and it will be kind of a celebration. If Prabhupada ji किसी मंदिर में चिट्ठी भेजते थे, suppose he gives a letter to anybody, then I heard, then they will be announcement at the temple. They will blow conch, letter from Prabhupada, letter, and it will be read publicly because Prabhupada letter was always no private letter, and whole temple will hear what is the instruction Prabhupada. Okay, because they were very soft-hearted. What is our problem? Hard-hearted. Patthar ka dil. Actually, every word Prabhupada wrote with so much, giving up his whole night's sleep. Prabhupada says sometime, I've put all this effort, but if you don't read, तो मेरे किताबें नहीं पढ़ोगे, you are very hard-hearted. You are not able to understand. And there's an offense. Guru Avagna, you are doing an aparad if you don't read the books I have given. So that is one more. Soft-hearted, hard-hearted. We reject the mercy of the Lord's devotees. Okay. कितना भी प्रेरणा दें, है छोड़ो, क्या फायदा. The trees plant, and this is for the gopis. The gopis feel that, we are trying to, the gopis, this is now a little advanced. So gopis, they try to, जब कृष्ण जी रासलीला से छुप जाते हैं, अदृश्य हो जाते हैं, तो गोपी इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं. So they start asking everybody, where is Krishna? किधर है कृष्ण जी? And they see the trees, and they ask the trees, किधर है Krishna किधर है? As the trees did not answer, इनका भी दिल पत्थर का हो गया. Then they say, नहीं, ये तो धामवासी, इनका अपराध करके क्या फायदा है? But that in their trance, in their samadhi on Krishna, they also utter the same word. This word is also uttered by Rukmini. Rukmini, when was started praying to Durga, please save me because Krishna has not come. So, and then she sees he has not come, Krishna is not coming. She says, I think today Durga has also become harder. Durga pe dil patthar ho gaya. So there are devotees sometimes trans feel a similar sentiment. In fact, Krishna.
When he left also, the gopis said.
Huh?
When the Lord was leaving for Mathura, no?
Yes.
He said the demigods are so hard-hearted that they are not creating any calamity so that he cannot go.
Yes. The similar sentiment is from the Devata, the gopis when Krishna was going. They were feeling that something should happen today. Big calamity should come so that some rain should come, some earthquake, somehow, so Krishna doesn't go. So why they are not doing that? Okay. In fact, when Radharani, there was sent a messenger, Akrura came. And at that time, she started talking to the bee. वो एक भंवरे से बात करने लगती करीब करीब पागल पर. And she said, "Arey, ये कृष्ण जी, इनको तो जानते हैं, बहुत अच्छे जानते हैं। इन्होंने क्या किया था बाली के साथ हम जानते हैं। बाली को लड़ सकते थे सामने से सामने, छुप के मारे, और वो सुपर्णा क्या, क्षत्रिय का धर्म होता है कोई भी स्त्री आए उसको स्वीकार करने का, तो बेचारी सुपर्णा के कान नाक काट दिए। और उसके बाद बलि महाराज ने तो सब कुछ दे दिया, तब भी उसको रस्सी से बांध दिया। कितने कृष्ण जी पत्थर के दिल हम जानते हैं, लेकिन we are still so attached to Krishna. So in different trance also devotees refer the statement. But coming back to our original idea is that we have to, as devotee, ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग जप करते हैं, side by side we see that are we advancing. कृपा करना, करुणा करना, these are all ये जो sentiments हैं soft heart के, ठीक है? Devotee deals with other devotees. In fact, जब हम भक्ति के मार्ग में आते हैं, we actually to get touched by the devotee's behavior. It's very important. Our behavior should be very gentle and soft. There is when I came to Krishna consciousness, there was a devotee called Prithu Prabhu, जो हमारे college में आए थे, and I was so happy. उनका class was बहुत अच्छा class, and class के बाद he said, कोई अगर नाव चल रही है और नाव में हम बैठे हैं, हमको पता नहीं किधर जाना है. So when I heard that, मैंने कहा मेरा स्थिति यही है. मेरे को ये पता नहीं जिंदगी में करना क्या है. So I was felt, this person at least touched my heart. Sometimes Krishna arranges. The devotee speaks exactly that is in your resonance, in your अपना दिल में वही चीज व्याकुल कर रही थी. So then, and he did a kirtan. In fact, वो कीर्तन करने लगे तो मैंने बोला ऐसा है, यहाँ तो सब नास्तिक हैं, तो कीर्तन का कोई फायदा नहीं. बोले नहीं, जिसको कीर्तन अच्छा नहीं लगता बाहर खड़े हो जाओ. And he started kirtan and it sang for half an hour, very nice with harmonium. I was very pleased. First time जिंदगी में कीर्तन सुना. And then he invited, when I told आपका lecture बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो he said come, तो हमको guest house ले गए. तो कॉलेज ने उनको guest house में host किया था. Then when I went there, I saw with them how soft the devotees are. कितने प्यार से प्रसाद खिला रहे हैं. That was amazing. कितने respectfully they are bowing down to each other. So this behavior of the devotees, ऐसा नहीं होता मंदिर में भक्त आते हैं, जब भी नया आदमी आते हैं वो देखते हैं भक्त लोग हैं एक दूसरे को चेहरा दिखा रहे हैं, ईर्ष्या कर रहे हैं, they can watch all that. वो बॉडी लैंग्वेज उनको दिखता है और एक दूसरे को सॉफ्टली रेस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं, करेक्ट, प्रेम से मिल रहे हैं. It becomes so much happy. So it becomes, great pleasure. In fact, what happened when I was in Bangalore, I told you that Prithu Prabhu came. And Guru Maharaj was already there. I had taken just Diksha. And then both of them came to meet, and I was wondering how they will meet. And I saw them so happy meeting each other, embracing. Itna khushi hota hai. Correct? In the material world, it is hardly it will be like that. The two experts in a field, hamesha, they will have some kind of a, equation. But here, so much love, so much happiness. So that encourages so much. So devotees come and they become so encouraged. If हमारा जो dealing है, if it is gentle, soft, but it will be there if we are keeping heart pure. If the heart has any, actually क्यों हमारा दिल कठोर हो जाता है? Because we have some desire. ठीक है? भक्ति में कृष्ण की सेवा के अलावा some other desire, that some other thing, then everything becomes very difficult. Because so we should try. We sincerely practice Krishna consciousness, so we are soft-hearted, not hard-hearted. And then we break the heart of so many people. And people easily take to Krishna consciousness if they see us behaving very gently. There is one more example of hard-hearted. This is an example, भागवत में आता है, चित्रकेतु की बीवियां. चित्रकेतु आपको मालूम है कि उसका कोई बच्चा नहीं था, तो this great sage Angira came to his place. And he requested Angira that please help me. I'm so sad. He said, okay, you are so gentle and soft, I will help you. So he did some puja and he gave some prasada. ठीक है, जो बीवी पसंद उसको खिला दो, उससे आपको you will get a child. But the child will be harsha shoka, will give you happiness but lot of pain also. That's the nature of the material world. So he said, okay, हो सकता है बड़ा होके सुनेगा नहीं, थोड़ा दर्द देगा, ठीक है, I don't want a child, I want a child, मेरे को बच्चा चाहिए, ठीक है. He took that prasada and he selected his most pet queen and said, you take this. So she took and she became pregnant after some time, उसने बच्चा दे दिया. एंड देन जितनी बाकी उसकी बहुत बीवियां थी, बिकॉज so उसके को बच्चा नहीं हो रहा था, शादी पे शादी किए जा रहा था. दैट वाज नॉट अनयूजुअल दैट टाइम टू हैव मोर wives. So then what happened is other hundreds of wives or 1,000 wives, they became very upset. क्योंकि कृष्णा पूरा टाइम उस बच्चे को मिलने जाए and he is with that wife and he neglecting all of them. They became, there is a puppet show also on that, they became totally frustrated. And out of envy, jealousy की वजह से they become hard-hearted. क्या किया? छोटे बच्चे को उन्होंने जहर खिला दिया. So that also Bhagavatam mentioned, they became so hard-hearted. Okay. Now we can discuss, everybody can say something. Sunath Prabhu, you like to say something?
No, Prabhu. No, you have covered in very detail.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु.
Yes.
I have one question. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था प्रभु. हरे कृष्णा.
Yeah, प्रभु. हाँ बोलिए.
जैसे हम लोग देखें कि भगवत गीता में 4 वर्ण और 4 आश्रम का वर्णन मिलता है कि शूद्र से, और हम ये जानते हैं कि अपनी क्वालिटी को बढ़ा के हम लोग अपर वर्ण में मूव कर जाते हैं. तो शूद्र से हम लोग क्षत्रिय वैश्य बन जाते हैं. वैश्य के बाद और अपने गुणों में विस्तार करके फिर हम लोग क्षत्रिय बनते हैं, और फिर क्षत्रिय से और ज्यादा गुणों का विस्तार करके हम लोग ब्राह्मण के स्तर तक पहुंच सकते हैं, और उससे ऊपर वैष्णव के स्तर पे. फिर परशुराम जी ब्राह्मण के स्तर पे पहुंचने के बाद अपने उसको गुण को उतार के क्षत्रिय बनने का ये ऐसा उदाहरण मिलना, या अभी तात्पर्य में प्रभुपाद यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं कि ब्राह्मण है उसके बाद भी गुस्सा करते, तो इसको हम लोग को किस रूप में समझना चाहिए?
अब इस पे ये तो मतलब is a very serious thing to give tippani, but we have to see all the overall condition, no? So, because that incarnation का कुछ लक्ष्य कुछ और था. निष्ठा की उनका कुछ mistake हुआ था. You know that उनके पिताजी somebody made 2 offerings. एक प्रसाद था क्षत्रिय बेटे के लिए, एक प्रसाद था ब्राह्मण बेटे के लिए. And some mix-up happened, and some wrong person ate, and therefore this came that Kshatriya will be born. So it was already predicted he will be a Kshatriya, isn't it? Correct? Even though he was born in a Brahmin family, उनका nature Kshatriya का था.
हाँ प्रभु, वो बोले कि मेरे को क्षत्रिय बनना पड़ गया, तो मैं वही
नहीं पड़ गया. इनको गुण था क्षत्रिय का. देखो क्या होता है, ब्राह्मण माफ कर सकता है, कितना बड़ा भी अपराध ब्राह्मण माफ कर सकता है, क्षत्रिय माफ नहीं कर सकता है ना. इसलिए जब हम ISKCON में आते हैं, जनरली डिवोटीज में भी आप देखते हैं कुछ क्षत्रिय नेचर के होते हैं, वो अपमान को सह नहीं पाते, एंड कुछ जो भक्त होते हैं बहुत ब्राह्मणिकल नेचर के होते हैं, कितना बड़ा अपराध भी वो चलता है, 1 मिनट में हो जाए, है ना. क्षत्रिय के अपमान को सह नहीं सकता. जैसे ध्रुव महाराज था, उसको जब नारद मुनि ने ज्ञान दिया, अरे ध्रुव क्या तुम्हारे पिताजी ने कुछ बोल दिया या उनकी सौतेली माँ ने कुछ बोल दिया, क्या उसको इतना सीरियसली लेते हो? और छोटे बच्चे तो मजाक में लोग बहुत कुछ बोलते रहते हैं. और एनीवे ये सब तो अपने कर्म के अनुसार आता जाता रहता है, इसमें क्यों तुम मतलब इतना दिमाग अपने को इतना गुस्सा हो रहे हो? तो ध्रुव जी बोलते हैं आप जो ज्ञान दे रहे ना परफेक्ट है, लेकिन मैं इसको समझ नहीं सकता बिकॉज क्षत्रिय का खून बह रहा है. सो जो क्षत्रिय के नेचर वाले लोग होता है जनरली वो लोग अपमान को सह नहीं सकते, है ना. उनको आप प्रेम से बोलो वो लोग स्वीकार कर लेंगे, उनको आप गुस्सा करोगे वो स्वीकार नहीं कर पाते, है ना. लेकिन ब्राह्मण के, इसलिए देयर इज अ सेइंग इन इंग्लिश में, एक सेइंग है कि जो आदमी बहुत ही बुद्धिमान है, अच्छा आदमी है, उसको अगर तुम गलती भी बताओगे वो आपको थैंक करेगा, उसको डांटोगे भी वो आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करेगा अगर आप ठीक चीज बोल रहे हो, करेक्ट. लेकिन जो मूर्ख है उसको अगर डांटोगे, ठीक चीजें भी डांटोगे, आपसे गुस्सा हो जाएगा, है ना. तो कभी कभी हमको ये चीज का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. और बीच में क्षत्रिय आ गया, तो क्षत्रिय इज एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा अपराध भी हुआ था, ऐसा नहीं था अपराध नहीं हुआ था, बहुत बड़ा अपराध हुआ. पिताजी का हत्या कर देते, है ना. और उनका तो एक और चीज देखे ना, उनका तो आए तो उसी के लिए ना, उनको तो काम है ना, वो तो लीला है उनका. परशुराम आए थे 21 पूरे पिताजी के मृत्यु का बहाना मान के उन्होंने क्षत्रिय वंश का 21 बारी खाली कर दिया ना, वो तो आए थे उस चीज के लिए. क्षत्रिय दुनिया भर में क्षत्रिय लोग क्या कर रहे थे, ब्राह्मणों का आदर नहीं कर रहे थे, ब्राह्मणों की सुनती नहीं थे। और क्षत्रिय के पास तो धन होता है और शक्ति होता है। अगर धन और शक्ति कंट्रोल में ना जाए तो इससे लोगों को तंग कर सकता है क्षत्रिय। करेक्ट। हमेशा क्षत्रिय को ब्राह्मण के कंट्रोल में रहना चाहिए, बट ही वाज नॉट अंडर कंट्रोल। तो जो क्षत्रिय लोग थे, दे वर गोइंग आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल। तो कुछ करना था तो उन्होंने कितना बारी 21 टाइम, है ना, 21 टाइम, जस्ट इमेजिन, उन्होंने क्लीन कर दिया क्षत्रिय वंश को। प्रैक्टिकली सारे क्षत्रिय भग गए, जो बचे थे हार्डली दैट वाज द, सो उनका मिशन था, दैट वाज द लीला। करेक्ट। ऐसा ले सकते हैं इंटरनल, उनका वही लीला था। दूसरा चीज जो क्षत्रिय, उसमें भगवान ने अवतार लिया था, तो क्षत्रिय के रूप में काम किया उन्होंने। करेक्ट। इंटरनली उनका पोजीशन क्या है, ये बहुत मुश्किल चीज है बताना, क्योंकि ही इज नॉट ऑर्डिनरी ना, भगवान के अवतार है। करेक्ट। एक्सटर्नली उन्होंने क्षत्रिय अपमान को सहता नहीं है, क्षत्रिय विल बिकम बट ब्राह्मण कभी भी अपमान को इजीली माफ कर देता है। ब्राह्मण को चपरा दो, हरे प्रभु जी माफ कर दीजिए, छुट्टी, वो ब्राह्मण। पर लेकिन उसको सालों तक याद रखता है, अभी ब्राह्मण नहीं बना। तो इसमें भी, भक्ति में भी हमको एक्चुअली, जैसे हम भक्ति में दवाई ले रहे हैं, अपना टेम्परेचर देखते हैं। जितना हम लोग को अमानीना मान देना, हमारे जो शिक्षा प्रभुपाद जी देनी है, सब ब्राह्मणिकल टीचिंग्स है, ब्राह्मणिकल कल्चर है। But at the same time, not everybody can become a Brahmana, even though training is of a Brahmana. So we see behaviors are different, and accordingly, mandir mein we give different engagement. Administration for Kshatriya kind of people, election for Vaishya, we give different engagement. At the same time, the training is Brahminical. That we should be sure. Okay. Yes, Prabhuji. Ashova Mataji, Sonath Prabhu.
No problem.
Kamalesh ji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam Prabhu.
Yes.
Next, Prabhu.
Krishna Dasan Prabhu, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. You want to add something?
No, Prabhuji, you have in detail you have explained about hard-hearted and soft-hearted. So Krishna,
our Krishna is very, very soft-hearted. So
yes, yes, Prabhuji, yes, Prabhuji, very soft-hearted. Even if Pudana give poison to her, he gave her Goloka Vrindavana, maid servant. So whatever we give, no, even the poison we give, he converted as a good thing for him. So see, he is very soft-hearted, Prabhuji.
No, therefore we have hope. We are gone. We have hope only because Krishna is very, very soft.
Yeah, Prabhu.
Hello, we do one more shloka. Sriram, you have any question?
No, Prabhuji, only the last point that you made, we have hope. Thank you so much, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Rekha Mataji. Hare Krishna, Rekha Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Chalo, then we go to the next. Pallavi, wanted to add something? She is there. Okay, chalo, we go to the next. Today is Bhagavatam, Rekha Mataji. Otherwise, we चलो सब्जी किधर कट रही? हाँ, लीलावती माता जी के यहाँ सब्जी कट रहा है.
Mataji is from Uttarakhand.
Oh, really? That is my area, Joshi.
Before, now she is in Uttaranchal.
Mataji relatives है ना, Namaste Prabhu.
Oh, you tell her I am from Uttarakhand. Joshi means nearby village.
Yes, yes, I have informed her.
Arey, I went to Muscat. I met somebody from my village only. Papa. Chalo. Anyway, these things are not important. Vadat. Okay. Nandana Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
वदत्येवं जने सत्या दृष्टा सुत्यागमद्भुतं दक्षं तत्पार्षदा हन्तुम् उदतिष्ठन्नुदायुधाः.
Vadati were talking evam thus jane while the people Satya of Sati Drishtva after seeing Asutyagam, the death, Adbhutam, wonderful Daksham Daksha Tat Prasadaha, the attendants of Lord Shiva, Hantum to kill, Udatishtan stood up, Udayudaha with uplifted weapons. While people are talking among themselves about the wonderful voluntary death of Sati, the attendants who had come with her readied themselves to kill Daksha with their weapons. Kamaleshi, Hare Krishna Kamaleshi.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Read the verse.
Yes, Prabhu. A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The attendants who came with Sati were meant to protect her from the calamities. But since they were able to protect their master's wife, they decided to die for her. And before dying, they wanted to kill Daksha. It is the duty of attendants to give protection to their master. And in case of failure, it is the...
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kamlesh. Yes, yes, we continue in this. Nandana Prabhu. Hare Krishna Nandana Prabhu. No, you are muted. Everybody is muted.
तेषामापततां वेगं निसाम्य भगवान् भृगुः यज्जग्नग्नेन यजुषा दक्षिणाग्नो जुहावः.
Okay, I'll read the translation. They came forward forcefully. Bhrugumani saw the danger and offering oblation to the southern side of the sacrificial fire, immediately uttered mantric hymns from the Yajurveda by which the destroyers of Yagni performance could be killed immediately. Now, all are from Shriram, like to read?
Yes, Prabhu. Here is one example of powerful hymns in the Vedas, which, when chanted, could perform wonderful acts. In the present age of Kali, it is not possible to find expert mantra chanters. Therefore, all the sacrifices mentioned in the Vedas are forbidden. Prabhu, please remove the curse.
Oh, you can see that, huh?
Yes, Prabhu.
In this age, the only sacrifice recommended in this age is the chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra, because in this age it is not possible to accumulate the needed funds for performing sacrifices, and not to speak of finding expert brahmanas who can chant the mantras perfectly. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Thank you, Gaurav. So, finding, there are two problems. First thing is there is no money. Going to do big yagna. And even this coronavirus you're talking, Prabhupada talks about in Calcutta, there was a plague. And then one, in the record, you all read that. And one sadhu organized Harinam. He said everybody, every religion came forward. And there was a Harinam in every street, in every house, whole city came forward. And Prabhupada said it is on record. Plague subsided because of the, correct? You all know that?
That was Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada did Harinam Sankirtan.
Okay. Oh, whatever it is.
He came from Navadvip Dham and he did Harinam Sankirtan for 1 week continuously. No, without.
Lake subsided. Hai na?
Yes, Prabhu.
So this was, so anyway, this is on record. So this happened. So similarly, you people say, I heard in the morning, chanting is Samala. You created Narayana Kavacha there.
So far, so good. Don't know.
So we should also chant here. Mangalore also almost it is not there, but little here and there, small things. But still. Anyway, there's always hope. We see Krishna has always. Prabhupada says there was a great famine once. वहाँ पे बंगाल में बहुत बड़ा famine. तो प्रॉपर जिसे बोलते हैं जब famine होने के बाद famine समझते हैं ना अकाल हुआ था तो मतलब भूखमरी कुछ खाना नहीं लोगों को और वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम में तो प्रॉपर जी बोलते हैं जब हो गया था सब कुछ उसके बाद I called all the friends how are they he said all the devotees are contacted they are comfortable so Krishna actually tries to keep devotee comfortable even in the difficult. Krishna is always merciful and affectionate to the devotees. Maybe some reason Krishna wants them back to the spiritual world, but generally very carefully. So it is always good to take. So it is always good to take shelter of Krishna. Pahi mam, raksha mam. Pahi mam, raksha mam. Please protect me. Please maintain me. But all this Vedic yagnas हो गया इनका इनका इतना खर्च होता है इतना पैसा बड़े बड़े यज्ञ करने के लिए एक तो दूसरा चीज प्रॉब्लम ये है कि nobody to mantras are there Prabhupada says लिखे हुए वेद में but nobody there to chant those mantras and derive anything out of that. But Prabhupada one time jokes he said all these mantras in Kali Yuga the best thing is to just chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This mantra is effective. This is a specific mantra given for Kali Yuga. But other mantras have Om in the beginning. To chant Om, you need to be qualified. ठीक है उसी में फंस जाएंगे. And then on top of that, there is a proper meter to chant. वो भी मुश्किल है कि इसको ट्रेनिंग नहीं है मंत्र जप करने का. उसके बाद you know धीरे the soft all बहुत ट्रेनिंग होता है उसमें. And then वो भी किसी का ढंग से नहीं होता. पता ही नहीं चलता वो ब्राह्मण ने क्या जपा और उसको मीनिंग भी मालूम नहीं होता. तो रट के आते हैं. And three things that all mantras have to be chanted with बहुत pure consciousness. That is not there. Their consciousness is not pure. Therefore, it is recommended to chant the Harinama. The Prabhupada Vrindavan mein, he was doing the deity installation. So he called the local brahmanas to the chanting of the Vedas, you know. So then after that, the devotees are doing big Harinama. So Prabhupada ji बहुत अच्छा लेटर लिखता है. देखो क्या है, हमको पब्लिक की वजह से वैदिक मंत्र ब्राह्मणस को रखना पड़ा to do all the Vedic, you know, chanting and all. But Krishna came not because of that. Krishna came because आप लोगों के कीर्तन की वजह से. You understand this point? Correct? So Kali Yuga, the main mantra is Harinama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. You have no other hope. This mantra will take us to Krishna's lotus. So this is very important. Okay? Other mantras which are there, Vedic mantras are forbidden. They'll not be able to do anything. Yes, we can finish the chapter. There are 2 slokas more.
2 more slokas only.
Correct. Yes, Nandanandan Prabhu, please help me.
अद्वरुणा हूयमाने देवा उत्पेतुरोजसा रुभवो नाम तपसा सोमं प्राप्ताः सहस्रशः.
Wow. So nice to hear. When Bhrigumani offered oblation in the fire, immediately many thousands of demigod named Ribhus became manifested. All of them were powerful, having achieved strength from Soma, the moon. Sushmita Mataji, Hare Krishna. Today your signal is working.
Hare Krishna.
Chalo. Read the purport.
Okay, Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. It is stated here that many thousands of demigods named Arbus became manifested Rubus. became manifested because of the oblation offered in the fire and the chanting of the hymns from the Yajurveda. Brahmanas like Bhrigumuni were so powerful that they could create such powerful demigods simply by chanting the Vedic mantras. Vedic mantras
are still available.
No, she's not there, sir.
Vedic mantras are still Gaurav complete.
Yes, sir. Vedic mantras are still available, but the chanters are not. By chanting Vedic mantras or chanting the Gayatri or Rig mantra, one can attain the results one desires. In the present age of Kali, it is recommended by Lord Chaitanya that simply by chanting Hare Krishna, one can attain all perfection.
Yes. Yes, Nandana Prabhu.
तैरलातायुधैः सर्वे प्रमदासः गुह्यकाः अन्यमाना दिशो वेक्षु उषद्भिः ब्रह्मतेजसा.
Thank you, Prabhu. आपका आवाज ही divine है. When the Ribhu demigod attacked the ghosts and the Guhyakas with half-burnt fuel from the Yagna fire, all the attendants of the Sati fled in different directions and disappeared. This was possible simply because of the Brahma Teja, the Brahminical power. Yes, Gaurav, you can finish this.
Yes, sir. The word Brahma Tejasa used in this verse is significant. In those days, Brahmanas were so powerful simply by desiring and by chanting a Vedic mantra, they could accomplish very wonderful effects. But in the present age of degradation, there are no such Brahmanas. According to the Pancharatrika system, in this age, the entire population is supposed to consist of Shudras because the Brahminical culture has been lost. But if anyone displays the signs of understanding Krishna consciousness, he should be accepted according to Vaishnava Smriti regulations as a prospective Brahmana and should be given all facilities to achieve the highest perfection. The most magnanimous gift of Lord Chaitanya's is that the highest perfection of life is available in this fallen age if one simply adopts the process of chanting Hare Krishna, which is able to bring about the fulfillment of all activities in self-realization. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta purports of the 4th canto, 4th chapter Srimad Bhagavatam entitled Sati Quits the Body.
Okay, so Prabhupada says here, Vedic mantras are still available. ये तो मंत्र तो हैं अभी आप किताबों में लिखे हैं, but chanters are not available. They can who can do this है भाई कोई Brahman? They can create just by chanting some rivus will come out different devatas. It is not possible. They cannot do all these things. Okay? So therefore, but everything it can be done in the sense that Hare Krishna mantra has the power of all the mantras within it. It is said Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Just these 8 words have the power of all the mantras within them. So not that devotees are asking anything, but everything comes. If you're properly just attentively chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we should not take it lightly. Sometimes when, just by and Arjuna, could create Brahmastra. That is just mantra, just by mantra. So mantras have tremendous power. So sometimes we underestimate the power of the Mahamantra. We think, Hare kuch, Hare. These are all main mantras. Sometimes we may have some better medicine. Anna, can we be hearing all this? We think these people who chanting so better, they could get, but no. By chanting Hare Krishna mantra, it is most powerful. It has all the powers of all the mantra within it, but just that we should attentively, with respect, chant. True, as bhakta, we don't desire anything material, and definitely bhaktas don't use the mantra to fight, but it has all the powers of all the mantras within it. Isn't it true? Everything is there inside it. But devotees don't desire anything. Devotees are always wishing well for everybody. Ajata shatravaha shantaha. Devotee bhava shant hote hain. They're always wishing good for the whole. Okay? So devotees can pray, just like many devotees have taken. Ki now the whole world is suffering. Always it is suffering, but now people are really suffering. Somebody was telling that actually the people are dying has reduced because the road accidents have reduced. murders are reduced. The judge itself said to the Supreme Court, no cases only now. Nobody is coming to Supreme Court to fight only. People are somehow settling among themselves. Surprise, he made a statement. What happened in one day, that many cases are coming in 1 month. I'm surprised what has happened to the world. So anyway, the point is that still people are feeling there is some suffering, and as devotees, we are paradukha dukhi. We don't want people to suffer. So we should definitely pray. We should pray to the Lord, and many devotees are requested. Yeah, anybody likes to add something? We still have few minutes. Some questions. किसी को कुछ क्लियर करना था? Shisha, Hare Krishna, Shisha.
Hare Krishna. That 4 points is Kalavasudra Sambhavat. Then second one is Ashwamedam Gavalambam.
Yeah.
Sannasam Parabhai. These 5 things you have to avoid. And third one is Kaler Dosha Nidhe Radha Astiyako Mahanava. Kirtana Deva Krishna Samuksananga Paramudit. The fourth one is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Iti Shodashakanamam Kalikalvachanasana. That completes everything in this 4. Because in Kaligala, there's no Brahmanas, there's no proper chanters of this one. To chant these mantras, and for this recommended, this one is fulfilled.
यही कारण है ना शीशा. That is the reason that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ignored the Brahmanas in Mayapur and said just to Harinam. है ना?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
They became very upset because they were thinking they were qualified Brahmanas, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu totally ignored. है ना? And they are the one जो सब ब्राह्मण होके इकट्ठा होके चांद काजी के पास जाके complain किया था. Correct? है ना? Because he ignored them. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ignored all this caste Brahmanas. He focused more on Krishna consciousness, which is independent of this. See, हमारा हिंदू धर्म क्या है अभी? हिंदू धर्म को कैसे पालन करने का? अरे एक तो एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जाने का कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो एस्ट्रोलॉजर बोलेगा उस ब्राह्मण के पास जाओ, तुम्हारे लिए पूजा करेगा, ये यज्ञ करेगा, है ना? एंड बहुत खर्चे का काम होता है, बहुत खर्चे का काम. यहाँ मैंगलोर में नाग दोष अगर बोल दिया एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने, हो गया. 4-5 लाख रुपए निकले, है ना?
Yeah.
And so much headache, so much arrangement, so much. How many days it takes one Naga Mandala Puja, Naga Dosha?
No, crores of rupees they spend.
Crores of rupees. अब जैसे मतलब आदमी कैसे बोलते हैं तो बहुत महंगा हो गया हिंदू रहना. लोग बोलते हैं इसको पालन करना बहुत महंगा है. But at the same time, if we tell them no problem, ठीक है, you just sit down and chant Hare Krishna. And everybody will forgive you. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि दोष नहीं होता. We are not denying that. This place is little palatial. ये Parashuram the Nagas. Okay, but if you can sincerely chant the Harinama, you can be forgiven. Hana Shisha, correct?
Yeah.
Instead of calling all this caste Brahmanas and spending so much money, that will be much more. And if you do it very simple. Why you want to do so elaborate, Hana? Call 1 million people to feed. Why you have to do all this? So the simple Chaitanya Mahaprabhu process is very simple. And point was the Hare Krishna mantra is really powerful. Don't underestimate. It will take you directly from here to the spiritual world in less than a second. So isn't it powerful? When you chant Hare Krishna mantra with attention and respect, and one devotee was sitting with eyes closed in the temple, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Prabhupada ji mandir mein ghus rahe the us samay. So Prabhupada ji ne dekha, Are, and immediately Prabhupada ji said, oh, so nice. This is a way to remain a devotee. Immediately Prabhupada said, is tarah brahmachari rehna chahiye, is tarah you will become a devotee. Immediately appreciated. But he didn't even notice Prabhupada has come. His eyes were closed. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Prabhupada just noticed. Because the Guru is so happy. Somebody is taking seriously, is so happy. That is, he's totally transparent. I don't know if you get opportunity today. I've shared some small classes which I made. One of the classes on that. Prabhupada is so transparent. If somebody is doing something for Krishna's pleasure, he will be so happy. You could see he's actually There is nothing else in him. Total transparency. If somebody is doing something, Krishna will be upset. He'll be full of, how can you do this? Krishna will be so upset. You made a mistake today. Particularly Pancharatra Vedi, so many aparadhata there. Why you not careful? You're worshipping the Lord. In that way, we should understand this thing. So the Vedic mantras are totally they are all within the Hare Krishna mantra. You're not missing. In the 8th chapter, it is said, no, if you do this, you do this. But if somebody engages in devotion service, last slok mein, all the results he gets everything. जितने मंत्र हैं, जिनके जितने फायदे हैं, अब ऐसा नहीं कि प्रभुपाद जी ने हमको खाली हरे कृष्ण मंत्र दिया है, अभी थोड़ा एडवांस होंगे तो ये मंत्र भी जब करेंगे, फिक्र नहीं करो, सब है उसके अंदर, सब है उसके अंदर, everything it has. Yes, Rangini Mataji, you like to add something?
Prabhu, you have explained everything, Prabhu. The best thing is how Harinam, how powerful is Harinam. That is very touching, Prabhu.
Sir, because we are talking about Harinam and all the devotees and all, recently one of the disciples of closest disciples of Srila Prabhupada passed away, no? Hansaduta Prabhu. Any reflection on that, sir?
See, Hamsaduta was one of the dearest singers of Srila Prabhupada. One of the dearest. Actually, sometimes you should get time. This Hamsaduta, Vishnu Jana, they were like, see, every devotee Prabhupada ne alag-alag kripa diya. Kisi ko kuch kripa diya. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ne na, he gave Haridas Thakur the kripa for chanting the holy name. And then he gave Ramananda Rai the kripa to be total vairagya. And then he gave kripa of Raghunath Das Goswami, another kind of total vairagya, not eating. And then we have the Goswamis to to write wonderful. So gave different mercy. The Prabhupada gave different mercy. Hamsasuta was actually very dear to Srila Prabhupada, and Prabhupada was very pleased. He and Vishnu Jana were like his singers. And he is the inspiration for the one tune chanting which I do. He said that. In fact, one of the students I know went to him and he said, why? How we can improve our chanting? He said, no, come with me. And he took devotees to the streets in America, New York. And he did Kirtan. And devotees were amazed, just touched like wonderful. So touching his Kirtan. And they noticed he was chanting so simply. So it is actually I think we should keep Kirtan simple. Actually, it doesn't matter whichever tune you chant. Prabhupada, if you say, he never said anything. Whichever way devotees chanted, he was silent. Because Harinam is Harinam. If I see somebody is chanting very difficult also, probably take a dong and encourage him. So anybody chanting Harinama should be encouraged because it's a holy name of the Lord. But keep it simple, it is easy for people to follow. So it is easy to chant here, and then ecstasy. Holy name will reveal the ecstasy, not your tunes. That is a slight meditation we should have. We should beg the holy name when we are chanting to reveal the ecstasy, not the tune. Tune, you're just entertaining the people. But focus should be to holy name. Beg the holy name. My holy name, be satisfied, Nama Prabhu. If he's satisfied with sincere chanting, hearing, chanting, then he will reveal the sweetness. And that is ecstasy. That is real ecstasy. Okay, some little meditation, Hamsuddha Prabhu. Anyway, he has done a lot of service to Prabhupada. And I think he went to so many parts of the world to spread the movement. He had a website, World Sankirtan Party. And sometimes I used to read his wonderful quotations from that. Words, very nice quotations of Srila Prabhupada and meditating on that. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I don't know. I have not studied his various pastimes. We would have so many pastimes with Srila Prabhupada. Okay. Any questions? Rangini Mataji, you tell me now what I should do. I would have been very nice, Mataji, if you can speak something, because you have a nature of a teacher, a successful teacher. I was hearing for Dr. Pramod, he was giving Rangini Mataji Katha in the morning. He was explaining how so many people were drunkard and this and that. You just transferred them in hundreds, not one or two.
No. You just exaggerating.
He was telling me morning class. I was talking about everybody. You all come for CC class. So sweet. So he was telling, Ware, I tell you, the CC class is sweet because all the people that Rangini Mataji has made, they were all horrible condition. And you don't know what she did miraculously. It was going on for 10 minutes. So something you can speak, Mataji, to, so people can.
We have some devotees, Prabhu. If they have any questions, they can ask you, like Amit Prabhu, Akhilesh Prabhu. Because if they hear from you, I will tell Prabhu last time. Amit Prabhu. Amit Prabhu.
Dandavat Pranam Prabhu. I have a question, Prabhu.
Yes.
Prabhu, when there is no Brahmin left to safeguard the Vedic culture, then what do you think? What will be the future of this society? Because if everyone is going to opt for the simple way out, then don't you think the situation will further deteriorate?
No, simple way out, matlab?
Like we are telling that Hare Krishna Mahamantra is the simple way. We cannot chant Vedic mantras. It is very easy to pronounce. Yes, of course, and it is very easy way out to go to the Vaikuntha. But the thing is, what about this Vedic mantras, which has a very vast and rich history? Then who will safeguard? Who will be the guardian of these Vedic mantras? Because if Brahmanas are not going to do that, like you were taking one example of this Kalsat dosha. So that is also a science. Of course, they should not make too much money out of it. But if there is no way out for them to make so who will safeguard, or who would be the guardian in future for such things? Because if everyone is going to go this way, then the whole world become Vaikuntha here itself, isn't it?
No, see, what Amiji, what you are talking is a very larger picture you are giving. Now, अभी जो हमारा movement है, it is focused on Prabhupada को जो सारा teachings है, if you study the books Prabhupada are, है ना? Prabhupada जी ब्राह्मणिकल शिक्षा पे focus किया है, पर Prabhupada बोल के गए थे, Prabhupada जी जाते समय बोल के गए थे क्या कि if you do the Varnashrama teaching, my movement will become double. So that is important point. Therefore, I told this point in the class. We are teaching Brahminical culture, but everybody is not a Brahmana. This I heard from the Gurukul. I was talking to the head of Gurukul recently. He was telling the same point. I'm giving Brahminical teaching, but all the boys will not remain Brahmana here. I know that. Because the training is Brahminical, but it's not their capacity to immediately take up. So जब हमारा ISKCON will evolve to the next stage, correct? अभी बताया ना, अगर हमको सोसाइटी को रिफॉर्म करना है, पहले तो ब्राह्मण चाहिए, टीचर्स चाहिए, है ना? क्योंकि ब्राह्मणी क्षत्रिय के टीचर बनेंगे, ब्राह्मणी वैश्य के जैसे द्रोणाचार्य बने थे ना क्षत्रियों के टीचर, वही सिखाएंगे, करेक्ट? अभी तो हम कोर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज एक फाउंडेशन सेटअप कर रहे हैं. अगर एक sufficient number of Brahmanas ISKCON sets up, we are today actually you see very minute. ये दुनिया में there are 7-8 billion people, and ISKCON is not even 7 million today. We are not even 1%, correct? So moment we reach at least 1% number we reach of Brahmanas, and ISKCON movement has a 10,000 centers, and there are 1 million, very strong, wonderful devotees like Rangini Mataji. And then, then once the core is set up, then ISKCON has to go to the next stage of starting the Varnashrama training. When the Varnashrama training will start, Prabhuji, what you're telling will come back. All this Karma Kandi Brahmana, ISKCON will have to do that because Varnashrama, these are part of Varnashrama. See, Vaishnavas, what we are Hare Krishna mantra, this is the work of a Vaishnava. But Brahmana, there are Karma Kandi Brahmana which will be needed in the human society. Just like even cow protection. This is also Karma Kanda. All this will be needed in the society. Isn't cow protection needed? I can say I will only chant Hare Krishna. No. Cow protection is needed. Hana, Prabhuji? Chahiye na? Yes. This is what we need Vedic society. We need, just like we set up huge farm. In the farm, you put cottages. Abhi to everybody is understanding. You have to accelerate this Varnashrama project. Why? Because only with the Varnashrama project you can live peacefully in a village. You make a huge village, you make a temple in the center, and then because artificial city, I recently had a debate with somebody before this corona thing, And he was talking to me. Okay, agreed, Varnashrama. But Varnashrama classically, okay, what you're talking, I agree. I said Varnashrama means first cows. Don't talk about Varnashrama without cows. But he was telling, no, this is, we can set up Varnashrama in the city also without cows. I said, and now today he agrees. Because after seeing the corona, he has understood we are living in an artificial civilization. Prabhupada said this city will collapse any day. You need food security now. Prabhupada said many times. We thought, okay, this will take later, but today we are understanding it is urgent now. Everybody has put on a high priority. All the temples which can afford, moment this is over, they want to go for a farm project now. Because there, your food is secured. Corona, food is secured. So you can understand this point. So when we have this Varnashrama setting, we have the Brahmanas, we will have in the, the cows, you will have all the Vedic samskaras, you will see all this Vedic mantras, you'll also find some place. But today we are in a different position. Our focus is on creating Vaishnavas, Brahminical Vaishnavas. Our focus is on that. Abhi hum bolte hain, na dhanam, na janam, na sundari bolte hain. 90% लोग क्लास के भाग जाते हैं because they can't follow that. They want sundari, they want dhanam. क्या नाथ प्रभु इतना जोर का क्लास ले लिए, ये नहीं हो सकता. And people say that we can't follow all that. So we have to give them place in the society. They will be like in a Varnashrama society. They will also have some place. They want to follow, but as a Kshatriya Vaishya. Surnath Prabhu, you're getting the picture?
Yes, sir.
For them, you need the Karmakandi Brahmanas. Karmakandi Brahmana, you don't need for Vaishnavas. Therefore, we don't need. Even for Shraddha, we can avoid the Karmakanda Shraddha. Bhaksanda Prabhupada said, do Harinam and distribute Prashadam. Ho gaya Shraddha. Vaishnava Shraddha. Many of us can't do that because society will not permit. We are part of some society. They will say, hey, yes, we do it. But heart of the heart, Harinam and Prashadam will do it. Many temples do. The devotee will go temple में सब ब्रह्मचारी को प्रसाद खिला देते हैं, एक हरि नाम करके आगे. But we cannot. That is Bhaksanda Prabhupada said can be done by Vaishnavas. But in a Varnashrama setup, you'll have to follow. You'll have Karmakandi Brahmanas. All the people are not pure Vaishnavas. They're all having material desires. So everything will be there, dosha will be there, everything will be there in that setup. But as such, Krishna conscious way, what we are following now, now we are not focused. But what you said is correct. These things cannot be thrown into the well. Have a place in the Varnashrama setup, which ISKCON will set up later. Presently, we are not in a position. Some temples are trying to set up. It is difficult presently. As far as I know, I've not seen anybody financially viable setup. Many people are set up. All temples, like Bombay, I know they have a farm. From Juhu, they're putting money there. The Chapati, they have a farm. From temple, they're putting money there. This is a big temple, they're having some farms. But their farms are dependent on the temple. But farms are supposed to be economically self-sufficient, correct?
Yes.
So it will come gradually. It will come.
Mayapur now they are doing Narasimha Yaga for this corona. That is also, is that part of Karma Kanda? They are doing Yaga now.
No, Narasimha, so we can all even Bhaktivinoda Thakur pray to Narasimha. He gave so many Narasimha Kavacha mantras.
Yagas now.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur has given Narasimha Kavacha mantras, correct?
No, Narasimha Yaga they are doing, Prabhuji, in Mayapur now for corona, for this one.
No, they are chanting not the Karmakandi Brahmana mantra. They are all chanting given by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur's worship of Narasimha, he gave a lot of mantras and devotees can take shelter when they are in danger. In fact, devotees do that sometime. And there is a great danger or something, they take those. Because he gave a lot of mantras for worship to Narasimha for protection. See, we have no other shelter now where devotee goes. You're not going to Devi Devatas, no? But we go to Narasimha.
Yes.
There is protection needed. That's why they installed the Narasimha deity also. No, that was not Karma Kanda. The temple was getting attacked left, right, center. And the devotees sometimes life was at risk. We have to, how much we have to thank those devotees who protected that place. Today we go to Mayapur, it's like Vaikuntha. And so beautiful. Yes. So anyway, so the point is they installed the Ugra Narasimha to protect that place. We don't say that is Karma Kanda. Same way they are praying to Ugra Narasimha.
Not Karma Kanda.
One roar you gave. Today, if somebody sent me a calculation, really unbelievable. The total weight of all the coronavirus, which has killed, so many people are infected, millions of people, is 1 gram. 1 gram. It is so small.
1 gram.
1 gram. So Narasimha Deva, this 1 gram will fly away.
Yes, Prabhuji. That corona was created by Krishna, and Krishna's name has all the Nija Sarva Shakti. It has a Nija and Sarva Shakti, all powerful. So Krishna himself, it is non-different. So why should we be afraid? And also, Prabhuji, as Prabhupada has mentioned, if Vedic mantras have to be guarded, Prabhupada would have mentioned that. No, that is not our duty. We just simply have to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. The essence of Vedic mantras Prabhupada has given to us, just as he peeled the skin of the fruit, and he has given us only the fruit. Eat the fruit. The rest will be taken care.
What you are telling is Brahminical training. And not all the people can take Nadhanam, Najanam, Sundari. You understand, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhu.
I tell you what happens. When I go to a rich man, automatically I do that. I meet many times of some people in Mangalore who own many colleges. Okay? And they are, back for 20 years I'm here, they're very, very affectionate to me. Okay? I'm very careful. I don't teach them Nadhanam, Najanam. I don't teach them. I try to engage them. Correct? So at that moment, I'm doing something known as Varnashrama teaching. Correct? I'm talking to his level only. I'm not giving him Krishna consciousness. He can't take it. So larger preaching will happen one day. First, our core has to be established. Mataji, just little you go next forward. Prabhupada said, no, there's a lot of meditation, a lot of books have come on this. What did Prabhupada meant when he said that? We have to establish Varnashrama. A lot of discussion is happening on that because it's the next stage for ISKCON. Not now, but we have to prepare. And some small sampling, just like coronavirus is the vaccine they're testing. We are also tested, different Varnashrama colleges. We also tested some Gurukuls. There's so many devotees that are saying we have to have Gurukuls back. So all that, when you put up a Gurukul and you have thousands of children in the Gurukul, all are Brahmanas. Children will come out who have Kshatriya Vaishya tendency. Correct? Prabhupada said that. They may be even children of devotees, but they will not be able to follow Brahminical standards. You're getting my point, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
So now when you have in the society people who are Karmakandi Brahmanas, who are of the nature, see, Vaishnava Brahmanas is another level. But there are two kinds of Brahmanas. There are also Karmakandi Brahmanas who are pure and all, but they are more ritual based. Correct? They will be needed for the Kshatriyas and Vaishyas. They need You're getting my point, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. Yeah.
For you, because you have got so much mercy that you can say Nadhanam, Najanam. But Mataji, it's not possible for everybody and immediately. Maybe one day they will be ready, but not immediately. You got it? So we have to lift them. Suppose somebody is a Kshatriya, we should lift them to the Brahminical standard, but they may not be ready immediately. Correct? So there are some people who, in a larger perspective, I'm saying, Mataji, now you meditate on the next stage proper set for ISKCON. So in fact, there was so much discussion on that because I was preaching to one of my students, and very Krishna's grace, I taught like what you teach, that Nadhanam Rajanam, and the student was very happy and forgot everything, and become very strong in spiritual life. And in America, that was the girl, she went and somebody taught her, no, there are some attachments also sometimes. We cannot give up attachment. And I was furious because the student can follow high standard. Why teach a second standard? So there was a big discussion I had with Bhakti Charu Maharaj on this. And he said that, see, you should have discussed with the devotee. Why did he give that teaching? Because you felt the student can follow the higher level. Why come to the Karma Kanda level of teaching? Correct? Varnashram level. But as a larger picture will come, this will happen. Some devotees will go for total pure Vaishnava teachings like what you're doing in Salala. But larger, there is audience which cannot take up this immediately. We will allow them to take Kshatriya Vaishya levels. You getting this picture, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
For those
Yes,
people,
Prabhuji.
you will need what Prabhu, because all these Vedic books can be preserved and kept, and those times this can be used, but not definitely. Suppose you have somebody who's you had people chanting 64 rounds. These people, there is no need. All that things not needed. You getting, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
See, Varnashram, the principle is there are people who want money, but we don't kill them. We devotee. There are some people who want power. It's not good to need power and money. It's not good. But why kill them? We engage. And we do that in our practical preaching in the cities, Mataji. We are here. We actually, in India, we can raise money. We go to meet people with the petrol pump owner. We tell him we are having a Janmashtami festival. Oh, please, I will help you. But we know if you tell him to come and chant, he will not do. Bhagavad Gita, we have 12th chapter, it is in. Best is to meditate on the Lord, 8th shloka. 9th shloka, you cannot meditate, you do sadhana. Or you cannot do sadhana also, you try to help. Or you cannot help also, sarva karma phala tyaga. Or you cannot do that also, you try to meditate on me. Or you cannot do that also, you try to cultivate knowledge. Correct?
Yes.
Somebody was telling me, is it that in a exam we get different options, solve any one of them? I say it's not like solve any one of them. They are lower levels. Each step is a lower level. So there will be people who cannot take the highest level immediately. So you got the idea, no, Rangini Mataji? Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, we have a very senior Mataji today, Kulkarni Mataji. She
Yes.
chants Ramanama every day. 2,000, more than 2,000 Ramanama she chants.
Oh.
In
Yeah.
Hindi, Mataji.
Kalwani Mataji?
Kulkarni Mataji.
Oh, okay. Yes, Kulkarni Mataji, I can see her name. Yes. Hare Krishna Mataji.
She attends our ISKCON programs. She used to attend my Bhagavad Gita class also, but now because of Corona, she is not attending.
Shobha Mata is like Chintamani, whoever she meets are all becoming devotees. Hare
No,
Krishna.
no.
Mataji is attending our Gita class, Mataji. Kulkarni Mataji is attending our class nowadays.
No, she was attending before my Bhagavad Gita class, Prabhuji.
Okay.
Our
She's
lady
attending with us in Zoom.
Bhagavad Gita
Now,
class.
Mataji went to another Chintamani, no problem.
Now she went to another class, started, okay. Before she was attending my class.
Okay.
Before Corona.
Hare Krishna, Kulkarni Mataji. Hare Krishna. Chalo. So very nice. Thanks everybody. Okay. Hare Krishna everybody. There is Rupalata Mataji, and then there is
Radha Mohit Prabhu's good wife, Vaishnavi. Rupalata Mataji.
Okay, who's?
Radha Mohit Prabhu's wife, Mataji.
Oh, there is
She's a very nice name. Her name is Rupalata Gandharvika Devidasi.
Gandharvika Giridhari. There is a temple in Bangalore, Gandharvika Giridhari.
Thanks very well.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Mohan Honap and Manish also joined from Prabhu. Now they both are very sincere. Now attending Bhagavad Gita class every day.
Oh, amazing.
And Mohan Honap,
Hare Krishna.
yeah, Mohan Honap and Manish both are very much
Hare
impressed.
Krishna Prabhu.
Today's lecture. Both are doing
very nice lecture today.
Friends Prabhu. Now both have been. Now they are very much impressed with your class today.
Mine is nothing. You're welcome. Welcome. Abhi to India is getting, India is sending 3 big ships, you know that, to bring all the people who are going there. I saw the news, big ships are getting there. So in case you all come, anyway, today or whenever you come, welcome to Mangalore.
Thank you.
Actually, in India also, you come now, it's not easy because there is a lot of quarantining and all. Lot of processes are there. But temple, it is easy. We have a nice guest house, you can come and stay. Even flats you cannot enter. Your own flat you cannot enter. The societies have made so many rules. Okay.
Okay, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Hare
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Namo Namo.
Hare Krishna.